You can use this template to manage and track sponsors in one place. As you can see, this is the homepage for this template. You can add the event details here, or if you have a landing page, you can paste the link here as well. The next section is the sponsor status, where you can find a very beautiful graph about the status of each sponsor as well as their category. Then moving forward, you can see a view with payment management, in which you can know if one sponsor has already paid or not their invoice and what is the status of each of these sponsors. These are categories that you can tailor to your own event, but in general cases, they apply the same. Then you have the sponsor management, which is a more in-depth detailed file with all the information you need from your sponsors. As you can see here, this is a table and you have the sponsor name, the status. If you want to change the status, you just have to click on top and edit the properties, and then you're gonna have different status to add to your own project. This is automated, so it's the last time that this file was updated will appear here. Then you also have the sponsorship levels. With the sponsorship levels applied the same as the status, you can change it if you want. You can change the color, you can change the name here, and if you click on top of the column detail, you can edit the properties, and then you have your own options. You have then the cost for rejection to add a small text, the sponsor contact, email, website, name, as well as the status of the payment. As you can see here, you can also edit this status, but they are pretty much the same. Then you have a short description, a brand logo, and other information. Most of this information that appear here are automatically populated when you share the form to onboard new sponsor. This form, you can just share it here and it will automatically appear all the information in this section. I hope this template is very useful for you, and if you have any details, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you. Bye.